Do you feel tingles in your knees when climbing stairs or stiffness when you wake up in the morning? Hi, welcome to Mile 40. Today, I'm bringing you movement medicine, a 10-minute routine, gentle but super effective to strengthen and stretch your knees without impact. This is ideal for basic or intermediate levels. You only need a chair and a wall. Let's heal together. Exercise 1. Strengthening isometric wall squat, wall sit. How to do it? Let's start at the wall. Rest your entire back against it, from your hips to your shoulders. Slide down as you were sitting on an imaginary chair. If you are a beginner, stay a little higher up. If you are intermediate, lower yourself onto your legs from a 90-degree angle. Open your chest, take a deep breath. Exercise 2. Strengthening seated leg extension. Sit on the edge of your chair with your back straight. Engage your core. We're going to extend the right leg forward. Point your toes toward the ceiling and squish your thigh right here at the top for 2 seconds. Then lower it with control. We'll do 10 repetitions per leg. The secret is not letting your foot drop suddenly. Control the descent. With this movement, we isolate the vastus medialis, which is the inner part of your thigh. In women, due to the shape of our hips, the kneecap tends to deviate slightly outward, causing pain. This exercise realigns the back into his perfect. Exercise 3. Stretching. Dynamic hamstring scoops. Let's release some tension and standing up. Stay your right leg toward, resting only on your heel. Keep the leg straight and slightly bend your left supporting leg. Now lower your torso, keeping your back straight, and sweep your arm down toward the floor as if you were gathering energy from the earth, and rise fluidly. We will do 8 repetitions on each side. Often your knees hurt simply because the muscle on the back of your leg, the hamstring, are shortened from spending too much time sitting. This dynamic stretch gives them elasticity but without straining your lower back. Exercise. Exercise 4. Stretching. Wall calf release. How do you do it? Stand facing the wall and place your hands on it. Take a long step back with your right leg. The most important thing here is that your right heel is glued to the floor and your leg is completely straight. Bend your left knee and push the wall gently until you feel the stretch in your calf. Hold for 30 seconds and switch. Why it works? Everything in the body is connected. If your ankle and calves are stiff, your knees have to make an extra effort when walking to compensate for the lack of mobility. By releasing tension down here, we give the knee up to immediate relief. Stretching exercise. Control leg lower. The quadriceps reset. Beginner level. Lie flat on your back. Bend your left leg, placing your foot flat on the floor to support your lower back. Extend your right leg straight up toward the ceiling. Slowly lower your extended right leg toward the floor. The secret is the descent. Count to 3 on the way down. Stop just before your heel touches the floor. Then lift back up with control. 10 repetitions per side. Intermediate level. Extend both legs flat on the floor. Keep the left leg pinned to the ground and engage your core. Lift the right leg up and lower it slowly, maintaining total stiffness in your hips. This adds a core stability challenge while isolating the knee stabilizers. 10 repetitions per side. Figure 4. Knee glute release. Knee pain is often caused by thigh hips pulling on the joint. This novel stretch realigns the tension. Lie on your back with both knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, creating a 4 shape. Gently press your right knee away from your body with your hand to open the hip. Reach through the window you created and grab the back of your left thigh, the posterior. Slowly pull your left thigh toward your chest until you feel a deep, satisfying release in the right glute and outer hip. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Breathe in deeply into the hip and release slowly and repeat it on the other side. The novel glute bridge. This isn't just a lift, it's a structured reset for your pelvis to take the pressure off your knees. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat and hip wide apart. Engage your core first to flatten your back against the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. The secret is do not arch your lower back. The power comes entirely from squeezing your glutes at the top. Imagine a straight line from your knees to your shoulder. Do it 10 to 12 repetitions. The seated 45-degree hip and wide release. Sit on the floor, bend your right leg in front of you at a 45-degree angle. Extend your left leg straight back behind you. Sit tall, lengthening your spine. You will feel a deep stretch in the front of the back leg and the hip of the front leg. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Assisted hamstring traction with resistant band. Beginner level, keep one leg bent with the foot flat for support. Loop the band around the toes of the other foot. Extend the leg toward the ceiling and gently pull it toward your head until you feel a mild stretch. Do not overextend. Flexibility is a journey, not a race. Hold for 10 seconds per side. Intermediate level, extend the resting leg flat on the floor. This increases the pull on the pelvis. Extend the banded leg and pull gently toward your head. Hold for 20 seconds per side. Prone quad and hip flexor lift with resistant band. Lie on your belly, rest one leg flat. Loop the resistant band around the toes of the other foot. Reach over your shoulder with both hands to hold the band. Pull the band toward your head, causing your knee to bend and your thigh to lift slightly off the floor. If you feel flexible, grab the band closer to your foot to increase the arch and the stretch. Hold for 10 seconds per side. You did incredible. Just 10 minutes a day can transform how your body feels. I invite you to save this video and watch it and repeat it at least 3 times a week. See you in the next video. Bye!